Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your car's glow plugs, which is these things. They go in the engine and I forgot exactly what they do, but they're important, and when they go bad, like how they have in my car, my check engine light has now come on and the glow plug symbol keeps flashing on the dash. So I haven't been driving it until I sort it out, which is now. So I'm going to show you how you do that. So first off, you want to start off by removing the cover here, and it's just clipped in here, here, here and here. Only 4 clips. What you want to do to remove them is just lift up on one side and it'll pop, lift up on another side, it'll pop. Do the same on the other corners. You can just lift it off and put it to one side. Alright, now that you've put the cover to one side, now you want to remove the glow plugs, which are located here. There's 4 of them in total. There's one here, one here, one here, and one here. With this one, I've already removed it because that was just to see if I could get it out at first. So this one's already gone. So I'm going to be taking out these 3 and then putting in new ones in all 4 of them. So to make it easier to get to them, I normally remove this wire, so just push it out to the side. And you can lift that up a bit. Then there's a little clip here for this main bar, which I then pull up. Then you want to give yourself a bit more space here. So there's a clip here I'm just going to pull up on. There we go, it's just a little metal clip to get this out of the way more. Then there's a little clip here, one here, one down here. I'm going to push this down and push it back. Now that's freed it up a bit more. Then there's one more clip here you can try and move up, but you probably don't need to since it's pretty free already. So now when it's free, what you want to do is spin these and then pull them up, and then when they come out the gap, they'll just look like this. Then the glow plug will be in there. Then use a 10mm socket to get it out. So I'll show you that now. So here's one that I haven't taken out yet. So I just normally spin it left a few times. And then I pull up with a bit of pressure. Now this is out. Then you get your 10mm socket, which is one of these. If it focuses, you'll see this is 10mm right there. And that's what it looks like. And just connect that up to whatever you want to use. I'm just doing it in this form, so it's long enough to go down there. Then you put it inside on top of the glow plug, then pull to the left. Getting it out like now is the hard part because I've loosened it. It's just now trying to get it out. So I normally angle this and kind of bring it up against the side so that it pretty much does this. I angle it and, like, instead of going straight and put it up, I just angle it and bring it up so it gets stuck in here a bit. Now that it's out, here is the glow plug. The old one, you can see all the rubbish on the tip because of how old it is. So yeah, this is what we're replacing. So you can put this to one side. Yeah, and then I've got 2 more to do since I've already taken out the first one. So yeah, I'll do that right now. Alright, now all of them are out. I'm going to put in these new ones. Here. Sorry for the background noise. Oops. Open up the packaging real quick. Yeah. Slide it out. And here is the new plug. As you can see here, the tips don't look anywhere near as bad as the first ones. I'll quickly grab one for a reference. So here they are, side by side. Will it focus? Wow. Everything's come to disturb the recording now. But come on, focus. But the one on the right is the new one on the left is the old one. So to replace it, just put it back in its slot, tighten it back, put this back on top of it, and then that should be it. So that's what I'm going to do now. Actually, I'm going to work backwards. I'm going to do it from this one back to the first one. That should be alright. I don't want to over tighten it to the point where it's like impossible to come out, so I don't want anything to break. So it's tightened well enough, like it's very good in there. I feel like that's how it was when I was taking them out of the factory ones. So I'm just going to lift this up and push this back in. And push this back over. Just push it down. Felt like a little click. I don't even know if you have to spin these, but I just spin them anyway. And then now I'm spinning it to the right a bit. And that should be in there. Now to do the others. Alright, now all of the glue plugs are back in again. So I just gotta put back on all these clips and stuff back, and then put back on the engine cover, and then I'll be done. Also, when you're pushing back on these black things that go over the glow plugs, you don't have to spin them, they just click in. So yeah, I just realized that on the last 3 of them. So yeah, that should save you worrying if you have to spin them or not. Now put the cover back on.